Simply Versatile was the one who actually, made me comfortable, and he'll make sure that you'll also feel comfortable as well. So that's really assuring.
And I think they delivered the whole raw footage and the images the very next day.
We didn't have to follow up. The team followed up with us.
Yeah. And we were like this, and we were just like playing with the fingers, and the photographers noticed that, and they've captured the whole thing. They were doing their job, and we had like our fun.
I really loved that. It was very surprising, and I'm happy about it.
The team wanted to know what kind of lightings and what kind of decoration the decorator is going to be using. Wow.
Now, memory refreshed. Must.
The family is going to go crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy family.
Yeah.
Right?
That's why it's named that, you know.
Yeah. My very first modeling photo shoot was with Simply Versatile, and that's how I know you guys. And I was very comfortable with the whole team. I always felt like I'm at home. So I wanted to book you for my wedding. It's the most special day, most memorable day. So yes, I wanted someone special, and yes, as I expected, you guys came and you checked the venue before the wedding. You made sure the lighting was good. You asked me so many questions. I think you visited the venue like twice or thrice, and we had meetings. We discussed what kind of light we'll have at that time. It was December, and from where the sun is going to be, sun is going
Yeah,
to be
rise
at that
from-
time at 12 o'clock. So I think we should do it like without the shed or with the shed. So yeah, there were so many things we had no clue about, and yes, we can see it here. It was amazing. Agreed.
Yeah, 100%.
So with Simply Versatile, we had a meeting before the wedding, I think with the decorator too. So the team wanted to know what kind of lightings and what kind of decoration the decorator is going to be using. Accordingly, they had like set the whole setup. They had a setup, right?
Just to add, I personally, I'm not very comfortable being on camera. So she had assured me that you don't worry about that. Even when I was starting off with photography, Simply Versatile was the one who actually, made me comfortable, and he'll make sure that you'll also feel comfortable as well. So that's really assuring, because I'm not photogenic, but I was told I was photogenic, so it boosted my confidence. But I could see the effects as well. The encouraging words that they use, the patience that they show, because obviously there's so much happening in a wedding.
Yeah.
So I really appreciate all the efforts taken by the team. In terms of details, like going into work and understanding the intrinsic things of photography, I know very basics. I don't know anything, but I could see those efforts, those questions, the efforts that the team was taking. One particular thing that stood out was the candid moments. Generally, photographers ask for fake candids, but the team was very observant. The team was very observant about how my personality is and how her personality is, and they were trying to be around us to capture those candid moments as well. So that was great. I didn't feel unnatural at any point. So speaking of the minute details, what I really appreciated was the team was actively looking for both of us in terms of our personalities, judging how we are, capturing us in a situation where it feels candid because it is candid. So it wasn't. It were most of the photographers that I've seen for weddings or any sort of event, they'll try to create these fake candid moments, which don't fit in very well with any video moments or photo moments as well. I personally didn't feel like I was being looked at or uh, I'm being focused at. It was very natural. So each team member ensured that we are comfortable, and we are able to express ourselves the way we are. And personally, I felt that was really good, because that makes you feel like, okay, I want to click more pictures. In terms of details, right, I could see all kinds of efforts in terms of climbing on things to ensure the lighting is right, the shadows are correct, our clothes are well fitting.
Even
That's
lying
it.
down on the ground and clicking
Exactly.
pictures. The team was
Drone
doing
shots
that.
were great too. Our feedback was taken as well to say, okay, do you like this, etc. So that's great. That's a great customer experience as well, from my perspective. Apart from some of our family members being camera shy, there's so much going in terms of chaos around a wedding as you expect. But the team members were able to identify family members quickly and ensure that each one got an opportunity to be in front of the camera, got good poses, pictures. I could see some of my own uncles and aunts, who are not comfortable being on the camera posing, which was very surprising. I could see
Yeah.
from her side as well. People are not always going to be confident in
And
terms.
we had no clue that this was happening in the background.
Yeah.
So we were busy in our vidhi and everything.
Exactly.
And we only got to know after we got the pictures. And I think they delivered the whole raw footage and the images the very next day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
the very
And
next day I had everything with me.
it was so surprising because
Yeah.
there's so much going on at once, but you're also coordinating all these photos at one moment, where even the groom and bride are important, but the family is equally important. So I really loved that. It was very surprising, and I'm happy about it. We are
Yeah.
very happy about it.
And I had a special request that I wanted not just the dances on the Sangeet night, but the reactions of all the family and friends, like how they're reacting to our dances and every dances. So I got that as well. So I'm happy about it.
So some of the minute details that were captured that I can remember of were from the Vidhi.
Yeah.
If you remember the moment
Yes.
where we were playing.
So we were holding the kalash, and I think we were just like with these, like you can't like be too much focused at the what Pandit is saying, right? So we were just having some fun, and we were like this, and we were just like playing with the fingers, and the photographers noticed that, and they've captured the whole thing. And I think there were many such incidents, and all of like the whole team was around, but we didn't feel like the cameras were like right on our faces, they were doing their job, and we had like our fun, and they captured every little moment. And something different about Simply Versatile was the delivery was quick. I think after the wedding, within a week, we had this highlight video that
Yeah. Oh
that was
wow.
posted on Instagram, right?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
That was that was one of the best moments with Simply Versatile because everyone loved it.
Yeah.
Even right now, and we still go back and watch that video. Really, we've watched it like 100 times. Even my family loves it. And this doesn't happen with other photographers, as far as I know, because recently my friends got married, and we didn't get to see any picture or any highlight video or any, not even a single shot. It was a bad experience for them. So
Yeah, more so it's about that fear, right? So because just before we got married, her friend got married. We were expecting photos to see, from her from her ceremony, etc.
yeah.
We got married. We got our pictures clicked. We got our videos done. They still didn't have their album. So the fear, that fear factor, I
Yes.
think wasn't there
Yeah.
with Simply Versatile, because we were signposted on everything. Okay, what's taking time, what will take time, what time to expect, delivery for a particular item, what to expect in terms of lighting, in terms of poses. We were told to practice poses as well a little before, although I personally didn't practice so much, but it still turned out so great.
Yeah, they
So,
sent us a folder of pictures, right?
Yeah.
Or poses to
Yeah.
practice. Although we didn't get time to do that, but it still turned out to be
Yeah, so
really good.
So before we went ahead with choosing Simply Versatile, we did sign an agreement. I personally am a bit careful when it comes to things like asking for deliverables. I want it written. And Simply Versatile was very open-minded about it and said, yes, we do that. We want to do that just to ensure that our customers are happy and they get exactly what they have been promised and not claims, etc. So we did have everything written down, an agreement to say these are your deliverables. This is when you can expect it by.
Yeah.
And that was really assuring, because what most photographers do is they'll just say things.
Yes.
They'll say
Nothing on
that,
paper.
yeah, but nothing on paper, or even if it is on paper, sometimes they will backtrack. But this was on paper and also ensured that they were trying to meet the timings before they reach a particular date. So that was great, and
Yeah.
because we don't have to do that thinking to say, okay, do I reach out? I have to negotiate, etc. So that was all great.
So everything was delivered according to the agreement, and even when it came to selecting the photos and the right song for the album and the video, everything was like followed up really well. And I think we had discussions. I was asking them, just give me some good song suggestions. So I think we together selected songs as well for the videos. And he also asked me, like the team also asked me to make one special reel, which had my voice recorded, a message for my husband. And there was a video made of our wedding with my voiceover. That was a music for that video. So yeah, that was one good surprise
Yeah.
that we got.
And to ensure all of that is on time, we didn't have to follow up. The team followed up with us.
Yeah. Amazing, amazing team. They've got amazing team.